All right, here we go, guys. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you an opportunity that I hope you're interested in, and I really believe in it, okay? Especially if you have a current online business, especially two, okay? But if you have no online experience and have no idea how to make money online, all I can do is suggest you look into this opportunity. As of October 7th of 2024, and that is today, I have 5 incomes online, okay? And they all make money every day. And I can be asleep, I can be working on my tan at the pool, working on a motorcycle, or my gosh almighty, sleeping or watching a movie called Take Me Home Tonight. It's one of my favorite comedies about the 80s. All right? It's on my little movie screen to the right. But it is nice to know if I'm watching a cheesy, fun movie that's free on Tubi, I can make some darn money. About an hour ago, I made $52 on one of my opportunities, and that was awesome. Yesterday, $350 came in. Okay. A couple days before that, $870. Okay. And boy, when you add up 1 month's income, it's amazing because I'm at the level now where if I can take 30 days of income, it actually pays my bills for the next 2 or 3 months. Okay. Usually by October 1st to October 15th, right now, by mid-month, I've made enough to pay the rest of my bills where if I wanted to take 2 weeks off, and I like to work actually, I'm not looking to retire, even though I'm at close to retirement age. It's just nice to know that you can go to bed at night knowing your bills are now going to be paid by October 15th. So you got the 15th to the 31st of you can save that money. Or maybe you need new tires. Maybe you need a new tooth. Okay. Or maybe you want to just go crazy. Go buy a pink Chevy hat at your Chevy dealership and buy some Lego kits. Okay. But I want to show you an opportunity that just the opportunity itself, the funnel system will earn you money. And boy, does it earn me a nice chunk of change. And you can put 2 business opportunities in this funnel system because with 1 click, you get 4 incomes. One is the funnel system. Stream 2 or income number 3 are up to you. And then number 4, the 4th income, is the company itself that owns this funnel system I'm going to show you. They sell online courses and education you can make money from. People buy clicks, views, paid traffic. You can also make a commission. Okay? 4 incomes, 1 click. Okay. Tongue twister. Okay, here we go, guys. Watch, I'm going to snap my fingers and I disappear off to the right. Okay. 1 income. Can I say it? Okay, look at this. I want you to watch this YouTube video by going to pleasewatchvideo.com, okay? So if you want to see my little cheesy business card that I made, I'm going to go ahead and pop it in the middle of my screen if you guys don't mind. Okay? So 1 click, and the click is this business card. Pleasewatchvideo.com. I went to GoDaddy. I bought it for about $11 and some change. And I forward it to this palm tree picture that you're seeing right here. Okay, boom. And people sit back and watch this video. It's entertaining. Okay, so get yourself a little beverage and watch it. It's not too long. It's about 20 minutes long, but it explains everything that I'm kind of doing a 5-minute little spiel about. Okay, and if you want to join or get more information, click the red button right here. Click here to earn big. Okay, now let me just go in the back office. If you want to join, and if you do join, this is exactly what it looks like. See the streams, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all making me money. And all I do is say, pleasewatchvideo.com. The funnel itself, when people join this by the month or by the year, I make income. And boy, does it add up. If you join for the year, I make $200. Okay? And you save a whole bunch of money. And if you want to join this funnel system for $49 a month, I get a chunk of that. So thank you if you join by the month or the year. Any money's good money. Now, see where it says income stream 2? I'm in a company called Legacy Builders Program. This company pays me as much as $870 per day. Let me click it and I'm just going to show you. Okay. I just got to log in real quick here and let me click it just one more time. I forgot to log in, by gosh almighty. And I do very little editing on my videos. I kind of like to just do it all live without editing. Okay, Legacy Builders Program. Okay, here's Michelle. I just got to make sure that it's not on. There we go. Okay, people will watch this little video and then they'll sign up today, this little blue button. Okay, and Michelle does all the training. She does little YouTube videos and she can just recruit like no man's business or no woman's business. She's awesome. And her partner is Michelle too. So people come to the multiple income funnel and I make money. Then they might want to join Legacy Builders. Then LiveGood is my baby. This is what got me into online biz. Okay. Joincory.com. You can go here and watch a short little video, this YouTube video. So see what I mean? There's a short YouTube video about multiple income funnel, short video about legacy, short little video about LiveGood. And if you want to join, you can click right here, this blue button, or joincory.com. Okay. Now here's Traffic Authority. This company owns this whole funnel system. They have support, which is awesome. Customer support. There's training. See up here where it says training? An insane amount of training to help you get leads, views, traffic. And that's what Traffic Authority does. They have a lot of courses you can buy, which I earn commissions. And if you buy paid traffic. Now, a couple of days ago, I did make $350. That was from people buying clicks and traffic to whatever business that might be. But a lot of people buy clicks, leads, traffic for this opportunity. Okay. In my case, pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay. You can pay for traffic that goes right to this page if you want to use the palm tree page. Now, this company has a whole bunch of other capture pages, and that's what this is. I love the palm trees. I just dig the beach and everything else. This is my most successful capture page. So if you do join me in this company, I'm going to recommend this page because I get by far 90% of my signups are using this exact page. And then I'm done. I'm going to tell you to go to GoDaddy, get an $11 domain name. Okay, I also own joincory, workwithcory.com. I just like short little domain names, and then I have GoDaddy forward to each opportunity's capture page. Okay, so you don't need hosting with GoDaddy. You don't need to build websites. Just get a little business card if you'd like I did. I went to Vistaprint. I spent about $30. Okay, $30 is all I spent, and that was including shipping. Okay, I rounded the edges. I went ahead and just put this big white giant pleasewatchvideo.com. I don't put my cell phone or my email address. I want people to watch the video with the palm trees. Then they can get a hold of me and discuss stuff. Because I'm not going to tell or talk about all this stuff like I am in this video to every single person. Otherwise, I'd have no life and it'd be old school 80s technology, 70s technology, 90s with Nu Skin, Herbalife, Amway, Mary Kay. I don't do MLM type things. That's way out of my league. I can't stand it, to be honest. But I'm pretty good at just making a video, sending an email, or going to Facebook and just saying, hey guys, go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Boom, watch this little video here. Okay, and then click the red button if you want more information or you want to join. I'm done. The funnel system is awesome. One click, 4 income opportunities. They join the funnel system, I make money. They join LiveGood, awesome. They get good products and they start earning money as affiliates. And with the Legacy Builders program, my gosh, they have courses for $100, $300, $600, and $900. And guess what? That is my profit on every single course, minus a couple bucks for the processing. And boy, I'll tell you, Traffic Authority, they are amazing. What a great company. I know the owner and I know the support staff really well. And 6 out of the last 7 months, I've been #1 in this company. I get bonuses. I get clicks. They pay me cash. I've won microwaves, suitcases, laptops. This company's awesome. They're based out of Florida. Okay. And some of the biggest gurus that I know of use this funnel system because it's nice if you can just invite somebody to a link and everything else takes over, especially by professional production companies, professionals that have made millions of dollars and they're on camera telling people, guys, look into this. Here's my proof. This is what I've done. This is where I've been. This is where we're going. Here's educational courses. Okay. But I'm telling you from firsthand experience, I've been with this company a year and I'm not #1 6 out of 7 months by accident. It's all by keeping things simple, finding opportunities that are legit and timeless, opportunities that don't expire. Okay, they're winter based, or maybe it's seasonal. I don't do that. I only do educational videos when it comes to how to drive traffic somewhere, how to do something, how to buy this and get the results of better health or better wealth. Okay? When I'm sleeping, I make money. And all of my opportunities, the 5 that I am participating in, they're good for anywhere, anytime. North, South, Africa, Alabama, cruise on over to New Guinea, go down to Australia. Okay? I mean, it's awesome, guys. I'm so excited every time I do videos like this. It's a dream come true that I didn't even know I wanted that dream. My dream is always like, I want free Lego kits. I want free Kiss memorabilia. I want free drinks and free sandwiches. But I'll tell you what, it's so fun just to sit and chat with you guys on a cam or a live Zoom and just say, guys, please just look into this opportunity. Just click the link. And guys, if you don't want to do it within 5-10 seconds, please delete my email, and I'm sorry to bug you. But if you guys do have a couple minutes, in this case, 20 minutes, and the video is produced, it has the cars and the badass homes, and then it has a ton of people that just tell you that they have no experience and they're having success. The first time ever. Some people that call me, that join this opportunity, they've never made a dime. Maybe $5, $10, maybe $100 over the last 5 to 10 to 20 to 30 years. And they're finally getting it because they realize that if they can just join this, get a couple good opportunities that are already proven, make a business card, and then start going to social media and keeping things short and sweet. Don't over analyze. Don't over explain. Just say, please, watchvideo.com. Check out this opportunity. Click and watch, and thank you for your time. Keep things humble. Keep things simple. You'll have more success. I just know it. That because I am. The reason I have such passion is because the more simple I do stuff, the more successful I am, which gives me the belief that someone with no experience, someone retired, I always say grumpy grandpa, or the cute little grandma that's making cookies. All right, someone fresh out of high school, somebody that doesn't have a lot of time, like maybe a stay-at-home mom, or a father, or a wife that has to, man, she has 3 jobs to support her kids and family, or maybe you're somebody that likes to travel. And serious, you want to go to Australia, do some surfing, work on your tan. Okay, it's winter in Australia, come back to America. Go down to Florida. You can work on a laptop. You can do this business on a cell phone. You don't have to be in an office 9 to 5 in the same location to do this business. You can be 100% online. You just need a cell phone or a laptop or a home computer, and you have to have internet access. That's why drives me crazy if you do not look into this opportunity. Please watchvideo.com. That's all I'm going to say for now. Thank you for the 13 minutes. Okay, peace and love. If you need something, get a hold of me. I'm not shy. I have a cell phone. If we need to talk, we will. But right now, please watchvideo.com. That's how we get the ice broken. That's how we start things off, okay? All right, well, thank you. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, like I said. Find me on Facebook and bookmark that. Okay, get a hold of me on inbox of Facebook if you'd like to. I don't mind at all. Just get a hold of me if you're interested, and we'll do some business. Okay, take care, guys. Multiple income funnel. Great, great opportunity. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.